analysis of the Queen of Blades search pattern complete. Calculated per ETA to the closest data core now.
You can't leave well enough alone, can you, Jim? It was stupid of you to come here.
I don't plan on staying long, darling. But I'll be damned before I let you get hold of those artifacts.
Hey, over here! Over here! Up on the roof!
I'm giving you control of our medevacs, Commander. You can use them to transport your men around the city and avoid most of the Zerg.
Ready for dust-off.
You gonna give me...
I see you drop by. Look for long ammo.
The Raiders are here! We're saved! Raiders! Get us out of here!
Talk to me.
Armed and ready. Who wants some? You gonna give me orders?
Where's the emergency? In the pipe, 5x5. Well, hallelujah. Heading out.
Hey, man! Could use some help down here!
ETA, 1 minute.
By the numbers, boy.
Ready for pickup? Acknowledged. Light flight's here. Understood. On my way. Dropping off.
This better be good.
Where's the emergency? Talk to me. Will do, Command.
Base is under attack.
Who wants some?
Acknowledged. Here's your stop.
Base is under attack.
Ready for pickup?
Base.
What are you up to, Jim? I can sense you're trying to keep something from me.
It's one down. Keep it moving, boys.
Of course. The Moebius data cores. You won't get the rest of them.
At least she doesn't know where to find the other cores. We better get to the next one fast.
Under attack. Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Brutalist. Stedman wanted one of those things to research. Reckon we can oblige him.
Light flight's here.
Sir, you better do something about that Nidus worm before our base gets overrun.
Dropping off. Now what? ETA, 1 minute.
Hey, Raiders! Come pick us up! Hey, over here! Marines! We are leaving! The Raiders are here! We're saved!
Here's your stop.
This better be good. You gonna give me orders? Oh yeah.
Talk to me. start.
We could use some help here. This way. Who wants some?
Picking up or dropping off?
Been waiting on you. Go, go, go! Outstanding.
Ready to pick up?
By the numbers, boys. Sure thing.
Now what?
Base is under attack.
Where's the emergency?
You gonna give me orders? I'm on it. Can't wait. This better be good. Go on.
Base is under attack.
You never could recognize the lost cause, could you, Jim? I've seen through your Dr. Nerude's pathetic charade. I know what the artifacts really are. And they will be mine.
Whatever they are, Kerrigan, I sure as hell ain't letting you have them.
That Queen of Blades really is quite a nuisance, isn't she? Confirmed. The final data core has been destroyed. We should evacuate immediately.
Keep your shirt on, Sparky.